Hey everybody, wave to the horse skeleton and those ducks I just scared. Hello friends and enemies. So when's the last time I talked about my panoramic camera on this channel? I think it was about the end of 2018. I did that review about it with some not typical editing choices that got a lot of people mad in the comments. So 2.5 years now. I think it's a good day to bring that camera out and do some more content with it on a nice mid-July sweaty photo hike. So on this particular hike, I've brought with me 2 rolls of film. I don't want to overdo it. The tyranny of having to take too many photos has been absolved by bringing 2 rolls of film, which in the 6x17 panoramic camera gives me a grand total of 8 exposures. A lot. However, since I'm not some filthy liar, I'll be straight with you. The ulterior motive of bringing this camera on this hike is that I want to test some light leak repairs I made. So I had it out on the road with me a couple weeks ago, and one of the rolls of film just had some beginning glints of light leak in it, and it's like, I gotta inspect this. So I gave the camera a good look over, found a spot in the light seals where they were starting to get a little roughed up and like deteriorating and getting ripped apart. So I replaced them with some of the foam I had left over from when I fixed my 4x5 camera last winter, and gave it a test exposure with an old roll of film, just baking it in direct sunlight for like 20 minutes, and that came up clean. But for my own sanity before hitting the road with this camera again, I just want to get out and shoot some actual photos with it to make sure that the light leaks are truly gone. So that's what we're doing today. 4 photos, possibly 8. Oh my God. Oh, what have I done to deserve this? Oh. Look, it's an abandoned basketball hoop. It's all rusty, like the court has a tree growing out of it. This is why film photography was invented. Oh man, I gotta shoot this. I'm gonna shoot this so bad. Oh gee, oh my God. Look at this. Over here, there's another hoop being reclaimed by nature. Okay, I gotta collect myself and take this photo. So my panoramic camera did come with this little peep sight that you mount on top to help frame if you're shooting handheld. It kind of sucks because there's no diopter, so for my eyes, everything I see through it is blurry, but it gives me a good estimation of what I'm seeing. So I need to scout my lovely basketball hoop with my peephole and figure out the perfect spot to take this picture from. I think I like this one more, but being backlit, I'm kind of hesitant to shoot it because I'm not into the backlit subjects, so I'm gonna try to work with Mr. this hoop. Maybe I'll come back later for that one and do a series. So I'm gonna have to push myself way back in the bushes here to get the full extent of the tree growing in front of this hoop and all the dreams it represents. So many photographers go their entire career and never see such a beautiful basketball hoop. I feel so blessed. So I think I'm gonna call that photo Hoop Dreams. Good name, huh? But also, I found this magnificent other basketball thing as well, so I think even though lighting isn't what I want, I gotta try it, you know? Experimentation is how you grow. And there's only so many basketball hoops in the world for film photographers to shoot, so I gotta do it, I gotta do it. This is a tough one to meter because the light is so intense behind the glorious basketball hoop, but I think I got a reading. I'm gonna hit it quick before the sun goes back out. I think I'm gonna call that one Hoop Dreams 2. I definitely could have sat there all day and shot Hoop Dreams 3 through 8, but we'll leave some angles for some other film talks who might wander through. Lucky them if they find out where this is. Back in humanity with this beautiful Piedmont vista and a guy on a motorcycle. I don't know, I've always had a soft spot for this angle, so I'm going to commit it to panoramic for once in my life. The more time I spend trying to photograph in nature, the more I realize I don't like photographing in nature. Maybe it's just because the panoramic format's a little more nitpicky on what you can shoot, I think. It makes it a little tougher to find a subject. But I got at least one more picture I gotta find, so. Okay, I thought I saw a spray painted dick, but it's, is it? Oh. Oh, that indeed is the nose of a smiley face. There's a dog looking at me. So something I've never actually really done with my panoramic camera is shoot scenes that are stuff that are closer to me. It's all pretty far off. I found this little green with the rusty, mucky water in these rocks that make a nice color thing going on. So I think for Mr. Shot number 4, we're gonna try a close scene and see how I can make that work. Now that's what I call nature photography. Little animal feet prints. They're so cute. But so as it stands in this photo hike, I've shot 4 big panoramic photographs and I've hiked about 2.5 miles. And since this is I park here and go all the way as far as I want to hike and come back, I think I'm just going to call it done at 4, keep it succinct. So I don't want to turn this into a 10-mile hike if it takes me another 2.5 miles to find 4 more photos. But the cool thing about that is less pictures to edit, which means I can make this video live sooner. And it's been like a month since I posted, so glory. That'll be great. Unless, of course, the sweet siren cry of those basketball hoops call out to me again. I just we'll deal with that when we get there. I just gotta take a few more moments to bask in such a holy place. That's fire.